What's up, you guys? Oh my goodness, long time no see. I know, it's been a minute. I've been working like crazy, especially I've been designing a whole new layout. Yep, I told you, a whole new layout for the new salon. When I tell you I work with a great team of designers, a nice architect, you are gonna be surprised. So in this video today, I wanna share with you all my salon renovation journey and the reasons behind the new layout, the things that I changed. Oh my God, it was a tough decision to make, but I'm so excited to show you how things turned out. During the process, I took so much video. Matter of fact, check out some of the B-roll I have right here. Inside salon mode. Look at that, it's crazy. Always smile with a happy face, 'cause you As you seen the last video, it was crazy. All the water coming into the salon. It started with a pipe that had burst upstairs, and so much water came in, which caused serious mold damage. When I tell you, I had to get rid of everything, from the ceiling to the drywall, insulation, salon stations, products, capes, shampoo bowls, towels, everything had to go. Although there were a couple things that I could have kept that were in okay condition, I decided to start fresh. I felt like it was an opportunity for a cleansing, a new level up, and to have a better salon experience. So I completely renovated my salon. Did you hear me? I completely renovated the salon. We got a whole new layout, new walls, everything had to be new. I even changed the salon name. Well, I upgraded the salon name. I'll let you know what I changed it to in a few minutes. So working with the architect, there was so many ideas that came to my mind. When I said I wanted to put this over here, put that over there, all kind of ideas. I've been in business for over 20 plus years, and I expanded the salon probably about 3 to 4 times. Every time I expanded, I listened to my clients and my team on what was needed to help them work more efficiently and create that working salon environment, especially having a welcoming experience for each one of our guests. So during this renovation, my biggest focus was utilizing this space to run more productively. And as a business owner, I'm in prime location in Atlanta, and my space is huge, so my overhead is not cheap. Therefore, each area in my business had to be set up correctly to generate productive income. Money, money, money. Cha-ching. Money, money, money. The framing is today. So this is day 1 of framing starting today. So this will change up the scenery. Wait till they go ahead and do all this little stuff so you kind of see the vision that I have in mind for the new salon we're in. So it's gonna be exciting. Framing. Yeah, okay. So some of you guys been following me, especially my process as a stylist, becoming a business owner. When I tell you I love doing hair. But one thing my salon has always been focused on is healthy hair. Even with extensions, color cuts, our main focus routed back to healthy hair. What I felt like was missing in my business was a treatment area. So we offered treatments before. I just wanted an area where stylists can focus and customize different treatments for each one of our clients. See, one thing, clients need treatments. Who doesn't want healthy hair? A regular salon typically offers basic hair and beauty services, while a premium salon offers higher end experiences and specialized services. My salon, we offer premium healthy hair care salon experiences. My healthy hair care, higher end premium salon services. You heard me. Healthy hair care, premium salon care services. Okay. At the layout, I kind of was seeing an area in the side of the salon where I wanted to focus on hair extensions. See, one thing is that my business has always carried premium hair extensions, and I felt like that was something that needed to be in the new layout. We got hair extensions that have different textures that blend so naturally with your real hair. When I tell you, clients love the quality of our hair extensions. Before, I used to have this huge area in the back of the salon, if you guys remember. It was a big color bar, but I really didn't promote it. We just had this space that had lots and lots of color. So what I did, I decided to minimize and move that space towards another area inside the salon. So we still have the color bar. It's just not one of our main services. With this renovation, I kept asking myself, what was needed? What would help my business grow? What did my clients enjoy? What were some of the top services that my clients get? And then it hit me. A hair extension bar. That would go great inside the new layout. See, not just any kind of hair extension bar. I wanted a hair extension bar that made a statement. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, made a statement. See, one thing, I sell premium hair, not that crappy stuff. So I had to make sure this bar was luxury. Yes, did you hear me? Make sure this hair extension bar was luxury.
The big change up again, I took away, I used to have a private room right here. So I got a lot more room. I'm moving the private room all the way to the back, and I'm making this extension bar right here in the front. So the extension bar will probably come pretty much right here. It'll be a high top bar that come all the way around this way. I want to make sure I have access around this area, especially enough room for my stylists to be able to work. So the bar is mainly focused on the extensions right in this wall, a lot of retail of the extensions. So this door, I'm going to take this door and close it off. And basically people will be able to come through this door, not this door. This door will be gone. I will have all retail space for the extensions and an easy access way for people to come and feel, touch the extensions, give it a nice experience.
So I know you guys are wondering, what did you change the name to and why did you change it? Hold on, not yet. Give me 1 second. Remember the new layout, especially with the hair extension bar, everything that I was doing inside the salon? I also got another bonus thing that I didn't tell you that I put into the salon. So when you get a chance, check out this video and you'll see some of the behind the scenes of the new layout right now that's going on. Okay, all right. I know I got off track, all right. I'll tell you why I changed the name and what I changed to do. All right, Salon MORAEE, that means more, giving a client more. But do you remember when I told you my biggest and main focus was premium salon with a higher end healthy hair care experience? Well, with branding, I needed something that my name could utilize across the beauty industry. I needed something more. And Salon MORAEE, it was cool. I just needed something stronger. So I came up with, come here, MORAEE and Company. Yes. Ooh, can you see that? MORAEE and Company. I felt so good with that name. See, my business has hair, it has tools, and you know we got a salon. I feel like that name was an upgrade. especially with everything I've been doing with the branding, with the tools and the salon and the hair. That was perfect. MORAEE and Company. Yep, I can see it now. So I'm excited to continue growing and providing the best salon services here in Atlanta. And I felt like the name reflects just that. Let me know what you think about the new name. And I did a whole new logo design. Check it out right here. MORAEE and Company. Yeah, MORAEE and Company. Yeah, I like that. So thank you guys for taking the time to watch my video and to learn about the exciting changes that's happening inside the new MORAEE and Company. See, I love that name. That sounds so good. I am so thrilled to be offering new innovative services to each one of our clients. One more thing, we're offering and looking for talented individuals to join our team. So if you're a stylist, a makeup artist, assistant, or someone that is passionate about the beauty industry, I encourage you to check the description below on information on how to apply. I cannot wait to hear from you all and see what you can bring to our growing salon.
Yeah, it came from the top. It came from the second floor to the first floor to here. We went up there and looked at it. Yeah, it's right. Yeah, same height. Yeah.
So if you like this video, make sure you click that like button. No. Matter of fact, subscribe. I got so much video of what's going on of me rebuilding a whole new salon. And I cannot wait to show you guys. Matter of fact, I'll be sending out personal invites. And I want to invite you to our new grand opening of the salon. I'll see you soon. We coming back. We coming back. You coming to our grand opening coming soon. Yeah, we coming back. Hey, I'm opening soon. Yes, the new salon is opening soon. This ain't Salon MORAEE no more. This is a MORAEE and Company. Yeah, MORAEE and Company. Hold on. I gotta get right. MORAEE and Company. That's it. Y'all hear it? Let me see. I can't get, yeah. This ain't no Salon MORAEE. It's MORAEE and Company now. Hold on. Welcome to MORAEE and Company. How can we help you? Oh, let's put you on the schedule right now. Nah, but for real. Salon MORAEE, we love y'all. MORAEE and Company, we here now. We here now. We in this beat. MORAEE and Company. Yeah, that's the name. That's what I'm going with. Yeah, that's it. It's gonna be nice. Like this over here, when you come in, when you walk in, you're gonna be welcome. I got a nice hot coffee. Nah, but for real, you're gonna like the things inside the new salon, especially the layout. Very open, very spacious. We are coming to a salon near you. We are coming to a salon. We not Salon MORAEE no more. We MORAEE. No, we still, you call us. We gonna be like, hey, welcome to Salon MORAEE. But you know what I'm saying? It's MORAEE and Company, okay? If we say it, don't be, you know, it's MORAEE because it's part of the salon. Salon MORAEE, MORAEE and Company. Same thing, tools, hair, you know, salon. It is what it is, you know? MORAEE and Company. I'll see y'all soon, okay? I'm gone. Bye.